Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Gemini 3 is finally here, and after testing it for the past few hours, I can confidently say this model is a massive upgrade. Not a small update, not a mild improvement, a genuine leap. And what's even crazier, you can start it right now for free. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what makes Gemini 3 so impressive, show examples of what it can build from a single prompt, and walk you through how to try it yourself inside Google AI Studio. If you've been waiting for an AI tool that can finally produce real polished UI and not the same generic AI looking layouts we've all gotten used to, then you're going to love this. Let's jump straight in. The first thing that stands out with Gemini 3 is the design quality. Google released a demo built inside Google AI Studio, all from just one prompt. And when you look at it, it generally doesn't look AI generated. If you've ever used vibe coding platforms like Lovable, Bolt, or Base 44, you know exactly what I mean. Those tools are useful, don't get me wrong, but the output always has that AI signature. The same rounded shapes, same gradients, same layout structure, same fonts, everything feels like a template. Gemini 3 breaks that pattern. To test it myself, I asked it to build a website, for example, influencer marketing agency using one sentence, just one prompt, and the result blew me away. The layout looked clean, the spacing looked intentional, the typography looked professional, and it didn't look like a machine generated website. It looked like something an actual designer built. Then, to make it more interesting, I ran the exact same prompt in Lovable, which still uses Gemini 2.5, and the difference was shocking. Lovable gave me the usual generic AI site, but Gemini 3 gave me something that could be published immediately. So this is already a huge jump for anyone doing UI, web design, or vibe coding, but it gets even better. This next part honestly feels futuristic. You can upload almost anything, like a floor plan, a drawing, even a rough sketch, and Gemini 3 Pro can turn it into an interactive application. To test this, I uploaded a simple hand drawn sketch of a little game idea, just a basic doodle, and Gemini 3 turned it into a working game. So think about that, a doodle, an actual interactive game. This isn't just generating random code, this is interpreting your idea and turning it into a full functioning experience. I've never seen anything like this from any other LLM. Not ChatGPT, not Claude, not Gemini 2.5. This feels like the first model that can truly build interactive apps from raw concepts. Now, let me show you how to use this today without paying anything. So, go to Google AI Studio, select the model Gemini 3 Pro Preview, put in your prompt, and click build. So this is the exact model that generated all the examples I just showed you. From here, you simply describe what you want to build, but here's something important that a lot of people miss. Basic prompt equals basic output, right? Comprehensive prompt equals stunning output. I tested this myself. I gave Gemini 3 a basic one paragraph prompt. So I said, build me a modern landing page for my marketing agency. So the result was fine, better than what Claude or ChatGPT gave me, but still a bit AI looking. Then I give it a comprehensive prompt, detailed instructions on style, layout, typography, spacing, brand tone, everything. And the result looked incredible. Clean, minimal, balanced, something that felt professionally designed. To make this easier for you, you can use this custom GPT that automatically expands your short ideas into a complete high quality UI prompt. So I'll put the link in the description below. Now let me walk you through what it's like to generate an actual site. So I pasted my prompt, I hit build, Gemini 3 starts rendering. It usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. And while it's generating, I want to highlight this. This is the first time in years that vibe coding actually feels upgraded. For the longest time, AI created UI has been good enough but not that great. Everything felt like a template, everything felt like a variation of the same design system. Gemini 3 finally breaks that. This model produces UI that feels intentional, professional, and unique. So if you run a design agency, if you make landing pages, if you're a solo founder building apps, if you're a no code creator, this update is huge for you. Once the generation finished, Gemini 3 produced a website that genuinely impressed me. So the layout looked premium, spacing was perfect, typography felt custom, the colors were balanced, the structure looked like something you'd see from a professional designer. So this is the headline, and everything beneath it was consistent, readable, and visually clean. So it actually looks like a real design. Amazing. Now, Gemini 3 isn't just another LLM update, it's a real shift in what AI can build for designers, for developers, for no coders, for founders, and honestly for anyone who wants to create without writing a ton of code. You can try Gemini 3 and you can use it for free today. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. If you want a Gemini powered website fast, you've got to check out Webera. Most people spend hours, even days, trying to build a website. You need to write the content, pick a design, edit images, arrange sections, and if you're not a designer or developer, it becomes a headache. But with Webera, you can skip all of that. Just describe your business, type what you want, and Webera uses Gemini level AI intelligence to instantly create a complete website for you. It writes your text, designs your layout, chooses your colors, generates your images, and makes everything mobile friendly. No coding, no design skills, just results. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, creator, or running an agency, Webera helps you build beautiful, professional websites in minutes. You can launch landing pages, portfolios, service sites, anything faster than ever. So if you want a clean, modern, Gemini powered website right now, click the link below and try Webera today. Don't wait, your website is literally one click away. So what are you waiting for? Get Webera now. Just go to getwebera.in.